The third crucial step to achieving fluency through the Speak Real English approach is to develop an awareness that you will not understand everything right away. Recognizing this simple truth is a powerful move toward real improvement. You must start by identifying the areas where your comprehension falls short. Pay close attention to the words, phrases, and expressions that seem unfamiliar or unclear. When you listen to English materials, aim for content where you can understand about 70% of what is being said. This balance ensures that you are being challenged enough to grow while not feeling completely lost. Materials at this level push your learning forward, keeping your mind active and alert. If you find yourself understanding nearly everything, such as 80 or 90% or even all of the content, that is still valuable. However, such material serves better for maintenance and reinforcement rather than active learning. You will not acquire much new vocabulary from something that feels too easy. While it is important to enjoy this level of comprehension, do not rely solely on it if your goal is expansion. Conversely, if you are struggling to grasp even half of what you hear, it might be an indication that the material is too advanced for your current level. In that case, select something slightly more accessible to prevent frustration and maintain your motivation. Choosing content that offers just the right amount of difficulty is an essential part of intelligent practice. When engaging with your chosen listening material, make it a habit to focus on the new vocabulary that stands out. Notice unfamiliar words and phrases and make a mental or written note of them. These discoveries are your personal guideposts to growth. Later, take the time to research the meanings of these words. Consult dictionaries, ask fluent speakers, or discuss them with your English teacher or learning partner. Every new word you unlock strengthens your ability to understand and communicate more naturally. This process of noticing and learning new vocabulary is not about cramming or memorizing endless lists. It is about connecting new words to real contexts and authentic communication. When you encounter new terms in conversations, news reports, podcasts, or television shows, you also absorb the way they are used, the emotions behind them, and the situations in which they naturally occur. This living context makes the language come alive and sticks in your memory far more effectively than isolated study. Another important habit is to maintain a healthy curiosity as you listen. Instead of passively hearing English, engage actively by asking yourself questions. What does that word mean? Why did the speaker choose that phrase? How can I use that expression in my own conversations? By staying curious and involved, you turn every listening session into a mini language workshop that sharpens your comprehension and speaking skills. Over time, this method of paying attention to gaps in your understanding and gradually filling them will transform your fluency. You will find yourself recognizing more words, grasping deeper meanings, and speaking with greater precision and confidence. The journey toward fluency is not about perfection but about consistent growth and mindful listening. Step 3 encourages you to stay aware, stay curious, and embrace the learning opportunities hidden in every conversation, every story, and every piece of English you encounter. By making noticing a part of your everyday English practice, you set yourself on a path of natural, steady improvement that keeps building without pressure or stress. It is a gentle yet powerful strategy that brings lasting results, guiding you closer and closer to speaking real, authentic English with ease.